Let's learn something amazing today. Today, I'm planting my very first garden. This will be fun. How does this little thing become a plant? That's so cool.
First, I dig a hole. This is the plant's new home.
Go in, little seed. Sleep tight in the dirt. Now I cover you up, all cozy and warm. Time for a drink. Plants need water like we do. Okay. Any second now it should grow. I'm ready. Come on, plant. Pop out. I'm waiting for you. Why isn't it growing? Did I do something wrong? Hello, plant. Wake up. Time to grow now. La 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 la. Grow, grow, grow. Please, please, please.
Maybe it's too shy. I can't hear anything in there.
Hello, Anvi. You need to understand plant patience.
Really? How much time? A whole minute? 5 minutes?
Days and days. Plants grow slow. They need sun and water. Oh! The sun helps them grow, like sunshine food. Water gives them drinks. Sun gives them energy. Soil gives them home. Sun, water, and soil. Got it! 3 important things. Okay, little seed. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Growing takes days. I need to be patient. That's okay. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. Still waiting patiently. It's here! Look! A baby plant! You did it!
Hello, baby plant. I'm Anvi. I'll take care of you.
Do you like funny faces? Watch this! Boing, boing! You're getting bigger! Look at your pretty green leaves! We did it together! Thank you for teaching me! A flower! A flower! You're so beautiful! I grew this! I learned that plants need time. Patience is so important.
Thank you, ladybug. I'll keep taking care of my garden.
Plants need sun, water, and patience. Learn with me. Thanks for learning with me today. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, friends.